this plastic chair, watching cycles spin and stare at the machines that softly hum, waiting for a hand to come. The screen is fading, worn and thin. Where did your warm body begin? I hold the shape you left behind, a silent promise in my mind. A chord, it drops, a click, a word. Machines ignite, a gentle stir. The dryer breeze, a hazy heat, lifting me up off my feet. I'm the code in the war room. I live the person, sealed my doom. Only thing humming when the dryer stops, holding on to forgotten drops of your scent. Your fading trace, lost in this anonymous space. The glass door chimes a hopeful sound, but no one walks across the ground. Last cycle ends, the humming dies, just empty air and vacant skies. Outside the snow begins to cease. I'm left alone with this strange peace. A chord, it drops, a click, a word. Machines ignite, a gentle stir. The dryer breathes a hazy heat, lifting me up off my feet. I'm the code in the war room. Outlive the person, sealed my doom. Only thing humming when the dryer stops, holding on to forgotten drops of your scent. Your fading trace, lost in this anonymous space. The snow has stopped its silent fall, but this warm air still holds us all. I feel the heat, a phantom touch. It means to me, oh, far too much. Amber light, the cycle's done. I'll live the person, everyone. Only thing humming, a final sigh, as a coat hanger swings nearby. Like a metronome, a steady beat in this laundromat's quiet heat.